And away we go! Welcome aboard everybody to Storybook Land. My name is Katie. I'll be your captain and storyteller today aboard the Wendy. Now for your safety, please remain fully seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please supervise level 1 so our story doesn't take any unexpected turns. Most villagers travel to magical places through the pages of a book. But for those who get to visit in person, often find the way in to be quite magical. Or even menacing. But don't you worry. Even though it looks like we're going through the jaws of Monster the Whale, the very same whale that followed Pinocchio and Geppetto, we're really being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Once upon a time, the big bad wolf lived in the cave off to the left. He's always after those three little pigs who live in his houses across the way. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of 100% guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. And just around the river bend is the quaint English village home to Alice, where one golden afternoon, she chased the white rabbit down the rabbit hole into Wonderland, where she celebrated her very merry birthday with the Mad Hatter and friends. Second star to the right is London Park, the very same park where Peter Pan, Wendy, John, and Michael Darling first flew to Neverland with the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, so they never, ever have to grow up. Just up ahead is the kingdom of Agrabah, where one day a street rat named Aladdin bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace, stealing a loaf of bread and also her heart. And now they're from separate worlds to the Tower of Life, and with the help of a genie, they're now living happily ever after in the Sultan's palace. In Storybook Land, love shines just like the golden arches above us, the very same ones where Aladdin and Jasmine flew over, sideways, and under, on their shining, shimmering, splendid magic carpet ride to a whole new world. All of our stories are filled with light, but they're filled with darkness too, like the Cave of Wonders. The treasure holds a curse which can only be lifted by the genie of the lamp. Legend says whoever frees the genie will be granted 3 wishes. So let's make a wish and see if it comes true. Snow White wished for safety as she fled from the evil queen coming across the cozy cottage on the right. It's home to the 7 dwarfs who were off in the mines, whistling while they worked. Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her stepmother forbade it. Her fairy godmother granted her wish, but when she did not leave the ball by midnight, her coach turned back into a pumpkin and is still on the bridge to this day. While magic has its limits, thankfully love does not, and now Cinderella and her prince are living in the castle happily ever after. Dreams do come true here in Storybook Land. While some dream of happily ever after, others dream of drifting off the cliff on a hill of golden flowers, like those to the left inspired by the 1933 Felicia City cartoon, Donna by Man. With the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, all of our plants can be big well forever, and never, ever have to grow up. It's why it's one of Master Storyteller Walt Disney's favorite places in Storybook Land, as it shows that there's magic all around us each and every day. Coming up on the left is the grand, stately, majestic matter of Mr. J. Thaddeus Jones, but he's actually not home right now, as he's on his long ride to nowhere in particular. Just past Toad Hall is the kingdom of Arendelle, where 2 sisters named Anna and Elsa taught us that an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart. And if you listen closely, you can hear Elsa singing in her ice palace. Just past Arendelle is the Alpine village where one night a wood-carver named Geppetto wished upon a star for his puppet to become a real boy. And when Pinocchio saved him from Monster, his wish came true. a little mermaid named Ariel wished to become a part of our world. Before taking her first steps on unsteady life, stumbled upon the castle on the right. From the Prince Eric where they fell in love and are living happily ever after. But her story started under the sea with her father consent as a sick sisters, and became a little magical that's the one is on. So now it does look like our story is coming to an end, so please remain seated with those hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat. And on the count of 3, we're all going to stand up together so no one is to go under the sea. On behalf of everyone here in Storybook Land, thank you for joining us today, and we all hope you have a magical day here at Disneyland.